So hey, what's up everyone, this is JB back here with another video. So yeah, today I have created a Doctor Strange project, okay, just like in the movies as you have seen, okay, using the Python along with the Mediapipe and OpenCV I've used here, okay. These libraries are very much useful and very much, these are two main files, okay. One is the main.py, another is the function.py, okay. This main.py file is the core script that manages the real world video process. It initializes the camera and load the configuration settings, okay, and detects the processes, hand gesture, and calculates the ratio, then applies the visual overlays, okay, and handles the main application loop, interactions, everything directly through the Mediapipe and OpenCV libraries to create a final visualization effect, okay. And for the functions.py file which I have created, it actually the helper module, you can definitely say, reusable functions that in the main.py file is on, and it relies on it, okay. And drawing lines, overlays, video frames, hand positions, everything through this file I have been initialized to it, and it helps keep the main.py file much more clear and much more readable. So these are all the implementation which I have created, and as you can see in the code here. So yeah, and now let me run the file, the main.py file, and let's see is it working fine or not. So yeah, it's opening. Yeah, as you can see, it's open. And now let's yeah, as you can see here. And now let's see the left hand with, yeah, both are working fine, as you can see here. Doctor Strange, that's the effect. Let me adjust my camera very well. Now you can see clearly. So as you can see it very much clearly. I don't know. Yeah, my hand is seeing over here. So as you can see, our code working very much clearly fine. So as you can see, working absolutely fine. Okay, yeah, in left and right it's not yeah, now it's feels like Doctor Strange indeed. So yeah, this is all about this code.